Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Want to sound like a real Israeli when you speak Hebrew? In this video, I'm going to teach you everyday phrases that native speakers use all the time. From saying "Ma nishma" to "Sababa." By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural and confident in your Hebrew conversations. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To ask, how's it going? Say, מה נשמע? מה, what? נשמע, we will hear. מה נשמע? To say, cool or great. Say, סבבה. סבבה. Sababa. To say awesome. Say Akhla. 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 That's an Arabic word that is being used in Hebrew slang. Another one of those is Yalla, which is used to say let's go or come on. Yalla. Yalla. To say thanks. Say תודה. 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 To say thank you very much. Say תודה רבה. תודה רבה. תודה רבה. To say you're welcome or please. Say בבקשה. 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 To say no problem. Say אין בעיה. אין, there isn't. בעיה, a problem. אין בעיה. To say with pleasure or sure. Say בכיף. 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 To say don't mention it. Say אין בעד מה. אין, there isn't. בעד, for. מה, what. אין בעד מה. If you want to draw someone's attention and say excuse me, when speaking to a male, say סלח לי. סלח, forgive, singular male. לי, to me. סלח לי. And when speaking to a female, say סלחי לי. סלחי, forgive, singular female. לי. סלחי לי. To say a general sorry or excuse me, say סליחה. 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 To say just a moment, say רק רגע. רק, just, רגע, a moment. רק רגע. To say wait a moment, when speaking to a male, say חכה רגע. חכה, wait, singular male. רגע, a moment. חכה רגע. And when speaking to a female, say חכי רגע. חכי רגע. חכי רגע. To say 1 second, say שנייה. 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 Another way to say how's it going is איך הולך. איך, how, הולך, going. איך הולך? To say what's up, say מה קורה? מה, what, קורה, happening. Singular male. מה קורה? To ask how are things, say מה העניינים? מה, what, העניינים, the matters. מה העניינים? To ask what's new, say מה חדש? מה, what, חדש, new, singular male. מה חדש? To ask really, say באמת, באמת, באמת. To say of course, say ברור, ברור, ברור. Literally, it's obvious. To say sure, of course, say בטח, בטח, בטח. To say maybe, say אולי, אולי, אולי. To say I think so, or to begin a sentence with it seems to me, say נראה לי, נראה, it looks like, singular male, לי, to me. נראה לי, נראה לי. To say I have no idea, say אין לי מושג. אין, there isn't, לי, to me, מושג, an idea. אין לי מושג. To say look, when speaking to a male, say תסתכל, תסתכל, תסתכל. To say look, when speaking to a female, say תסתכלי, תסתכלי, תסתכלי. To say come, when speaking to a male, say בוא, בוא, בוא. For example, to say come with me there. When speaking to a male, say בוא איתי לשם. בוא, come, איתי, with me, לשם, to there. בוא איתי לשם. To say come, when speaking to a female, say בואי, בואי, בואי. For example, to say come with me, when speaking to a female, say בואי איתי, בואי איתי, בואי איתי. To say look or see, when speaking to a male, say תראה, תראה, תראה. For example, to say look at that, when speaking to a male, say תראה את זה, תראה, see את זה, that, תראה את זה. To say look or see, when speaking to a female, say תראי, תראי, תראי. For example, to say look at him, say תראי אותו, תראי, see. אותו, him. תראי, אותו. To say great. Say יופי. 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 To say excellent. Say מעולה. 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 To say exactly. Say בדיוק. 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 To say okay. Say בסדר. 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 To say it's a done deal or it's settled. Say סגור. 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 Literally meaning closed. To say okay or good. Say טוב. 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 To say I don't know. As a male, say אני לא יודע. אני, I, לא, not, יודע, no, singular male. אני לא יודע. To say I don't know. As a female, say אני לא יודעת. אני, I, לא, not, יודעת, no, singular female. אני לא יודעת. If someone asks you, for example, how was the food? And you want to say, so-so. You can say, ככה, ככה. ככה, ככה. ככה, ככה. To say, we'll see. Say, נראה. 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 To say, don't worry about it. It's okay. Say, לא נורא. לא נורא. לא נורא. To say, I understand. As a male, say, אני מבין. אני, I, מבין. Understand. Singular male. אני מבין. To say, I understand. As a female, say, אני מבינה. אני, I, מבינה. Understand. Singular female. אני מבינה. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.